y2k contortion and gymnastics, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Also, you can check out my Instagram page. Here you go. So guys, now in today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can make quick y2k hairstyles because they are so trendy nowadays. So let's go. First hairstyle. First you have to divide your hair in two partitions and then take a part of your hair like this. Now clip them and make two ponies. For the front part, we are going to make two braids using elastics. For the final part, we are going to make two cute little buns.
"2,000 years later."
Quite easy, right? Now let's move on to the second one. For the second one, we are going to need 6 rubber bands to make two ponies. Third hairstyle. In this hairstyle, I'm going to make 4 partitions of my hair and then I'm going to make 2 ponies. Just like this. Now I'm going to tie up my hair including the ponies. In this hairstyle, make 4 sections of your hair and tie them with elastic. Two ponies. Now take all the hair and tie them up. Again, make 2 ponies. For this hairstyle, you're gonna need a lot of elastics. Divide your hair in 4 parts. Now tie one section of your hair using elastics. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to tell me in the comment section which one is your favorite hairstyle. And if you want part 2 of this video, like more hairstyles, do tell me that too. So guys, like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.